welcome back to the Crochet Crowd. I'm your host Mikey. The letter that we're going to do today is the title of this video. It's only going to be in right-handed format for this because I've been told that if you flip the video camera for the left-handed version, the letters will appear backwards for my left-handed audience. So to not upset anybody, it will not be available in left-handed. Also, in the video description, I linked the playlist where all the letters will exist. They will be provided in time, but I also put one video on how to sew the appliques to the project without going through. So if you want to add personalization of a name and not ruin your project, you can do it that way as well. So I will leave that in your hands, and without further ado, let's get started.
Let's go on to the letter F as in Frank or fabulous, and we're going to start with a 4.5mm size G. I'll be using Caron 1 pound today. So let's begin the letter F as in Frank and starting, and you're going to chain a total of 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's begin row number 1. So second chain from the hook, you want to single crochet, get the back hump of the chain, it will look nicer. And you're going to do that one plus then 3 more. So we have 1, 2, and 3. Then you're going to create the first piece that comes out to form the F. So you're going to chain 3. So 1, 2, 3. Second chain from the hook, you're going to do that one, single crochet the back hump. So we have 1 and 2, and come back to your back here, and I want you to single crochet the remaining of the chains that are available to you. So 1, 2, and 3, and now you're going to put the top part of the F in. So once you get that one done, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet second chain from the hook. Now that I'm on the letter F, I'm understanding how this designer has actually designed these, so it makes it a lot easier. And then once you get that done, you're going to slip stitch to the top, and then that'll be it. So it's kind of misshaped at the moment. That's because it's not sewn down to anything, but you want to use that strand to sew it to the project, so just keep it nice and long, and so when you shape everything back into position, you see the letter F. So any tails that you want to get rid of, just make sure that you use a tapestry needle for that. It'll look nicer. And so to do that, you're just gonna throw it through a tapestry needle. Let me demonstrate. And favor the back side of the F for any tail ends. And just drag it through. So you don't want to interfere with the front side at all. So just drag through the strands that are in the back. And then you're leaving that long strand to sew it to the project later. So then here would be your letter F with the strand ready to go, and you'll shape it on the project when you're ready. That's it.